If any of you folks have a 2004 Newmar Motorhome or equivalent, you're probably going to find that your running lights aren't working.
Like ours.
The problem with the running lights, they've been in various states of sort of working for the past 5 years that we've had the motorhome. But we're going down to the land of the free here in the next week or so. And from what we hear in the land of the free, sometimes their county mounties get awful upset when your clearance lights aren't working. So I checked in to find out about the new clearance lights. You can get them on Amazon for 35 bucks a piece. We need 10.
But will Sean pay that?
No!
We're flat broke.
Exactly. So I figured out a way to do it. You go to Canadian Tire, and for $17 you buy a pack of five clearance lights. Then you can modify the old ones. I'm going to show you how we did it. This is not how to do it. This is how we did it.
Trust me.
First, you need a ladder.
First you need a ladder.
Lights here in various states of not working. They're farther away than I expected. Oh, I can't put them on the ceiling. They're too far away. So I could have just simply put on bigger lights like Kenny did. But that would be no fun.
I put the big ones up. Big LED.
Because I'm trying to keep it original.
That one I found.
Original, yeah.
The last one on the inside.
So, oh, they stuck this one on good. Oh, they put an extra screw in this. Oh, nice. Oh boy. Yeah. They put an extra screw. So this is where you break out the universal wrench.
There we go. This is how to get a screw out that
All rusted.
all rusted in. The hard way.
So here's where the problem is. These are the LED lights, and they sort of get a little wet and turn into mush. So flip them over, you find the wires. These are the light fixtures you can buy on Amazon for $38 a piece, which is a little ridiculous.
But we're not paying that because...
No!
Why is that? Because we're flat broke.
Okay, so I put it in a vise just to hold it steady and take time. Cut that off. And what I found is sometimes that little light module will fall out. Other times you gotta pry it out. This time it fell out. That's scary. Then there's little tits that stick up here. You gotta trim them off. Okay, that's good. And I put it back in the vise. Grab my trusty step bit. Drill a hole in.
What size hole would that be?
About there, about 3/4 inch. Then, oh, these are the red ones. I gotta get the right ones. Those are the red ones. This is the lights from Canadian Tire. 3/4 inch hole. What was it, about $17 for a pack of 6. And they come with a little rubber thingy. And then drill that out to that size. And you should be able to, if you drilled it at the right size, maybe I didn't, maybe I didn't, and I didn't. Actually, I think I found that if you put the grommet in first, it works a little easier. Like so. Yeah. Voila. one repaired amber light. So, after all is said and done, when you put them back together, a little silicone in there to make them weatherproof, this is what you end up with. They work really good. And that is how I fixed the clearance lights in my Newmar. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see more stuff like this, and hit the like button.